These are Cacao Date Energy Balls. But how do they taste? Wait, don't touch it, it's very sharp, my guy. This recipe has a ton of names: Cacao Date Balls, Cacao Power Balls, whatever you want to call them. They're super easy. They take about 20 or 30 minutes to put together, or 2 hours if you've got this little guy helping you, and it only uses about 7 ingredients. You're gonna pour in some almonds, our cacao powder, coconut flakes, chia seed, and sesame seed. Almost forgot our coconut oil, and that coconut oil is just going to emulsify and bring everything together. And now we've got some pitted dates that have been soaking in warm water for about 15 minutes. We strain out the water, dates go in, and finally a pinch of salt. Good job, dude. I think Zane's backing away for this one. Everything's mixed together. Now we just let this sit for about 10 minutes and let all those ingredients get to know each other. Now the fun part, we mix these into 1-inch balls. Now we take more shredded coconut and we roll our cacao date balls in the shredded coconut. Now just throw these beauties in the fridge for about an hour and enjoy.